you? Sure. Are you addressing me?
Yes, I have a good mind to lock you up.
How very inhospitable. Is that the way you treat strangers?
Yes, look it. See here, you're drink too much. Yet better in taxi and go home.
What? So soon?
I know how you feel.
You see, I have an important business, and I must ask you to not detain me.
Not so fast. What business have you at this hour of the night?
It concerns a mortal named James Pettleton.
So you are friend of Jimmy, are you?
And his guardian angel.
Well, fight. He needs one.
I have to go.